Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Start with 1 cup fresh or frozen fruit. Some great fruit bases include strawberries, blueberries, mangoes, bananas, pineapple, cherries and peaches. Veggie. If you don't mind the green color, adding a handful of spinach or kale is a good way to bring more antioxidants to your drink.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Water or milk. To help the ingredients blend, I like adding a splash of liquid to the blender. For a smoothie without milk, use water. It still tastes amazing. For more creaminess, use milk, dairy or non-dairy, both work.
Let's help you make your mark.
Start your smoothie with 2 mugfuls of a liquid base. This can be milk, or a dairy-free alternative such as soya or almond milk, natural or flavored yogurt, fruit juice, or for a tropical flavored smoothie, low-fat coconut milk or coconut water.
Take our lead.
Do you have to add ice? No, ice cubes are not necessary to make a smoothie, as long as you're using frozen fruits. The ice will create a smooth, thick, chilly texture, or frothy if only a small amount is used. I like to add both ice cubes and frozen fruit together to create the perfect consistency.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.